Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you a delicious recipe that's very simple to make, spinach and artichoke dip. And it's from one of my favorite cookbooks, Whiskey in a Teacup by Reese Witherspoon. I've just made a few quick swaps that help it to be compliant with the plant paradox diet that I'm following, and it's really simple. The first step that you need to do is just spray a small baking dish with some avocado oil, or you can use some compliant butter or ghee, and just make sure that it's coated. The recipe calls for about half a cup of cheese, and so I usually like to use Gruyere, but you can use Parmigiano Reggiano or any kind of compliant cheese that you like. I do half a cup of organic cream cheese that has been sitting out at room temperature. Half a cup of organic sour cream. Then you're going to add a quarter cup of avocado mayo. The recipe calls for just regular mayonnaise, but if you're following the plant paradox diet, you use avocado mayo. 1 cup of spinach, chopped. You can use frozen spinach if you like. I really like to use fresh spinach that I get from our local farm, and I just take like a good handful of that, chop it up, and add that in. A can of artichoke hearts that have been chopped, and you make sure that you drain the artichoke hearts. The next step is to add 1 clove of garlic. You can grate it or you can chop it up. I like to just put it in a garlic press and press it. So now you just mix it all together. You're going to just scoop it into the small baking dish and spread it out evenly. You're just going to top it off with about a quarter cup of shredded cheese. Again, I used Gruyere, but you can use Parmigiano Reggiano or any kind of compliant cheese. Now you're going to put it into the oven to bake at 350 degrees. The spinach and artichoke dip has been cooking in the oven for about 30 to 35 minutes. So it looks nice and brown on the top, and I think it's about done. So I took it out, and I'm just gonna serve it on top of some fresh crackers while it's still warm. And there you have it, a very simple and quick spinach and artichoke dip. Thanks to Reese Witherspoon and a few swaps from Whiskey in a Teacup. Thanks, Reese, we love you.